You may be familiar with the term fermentation because it's involved in producing many of the food items we know and love. Wine, beer, cheese, yogurt, vinegar, kombucha, sauerkraut, bread. So we know all about fermentation's delicious results. But what is actually going on? I'm Jessica Gregory, and in this My EcoBuzz episode, we're taking a field trip to the kitchen to find out. In order to explore fermentation, I have to give you a little background.
Cells need energy to survive. You know this. That's why you ate a banana for breakfast this morning or grabbed a handful of M&Ms out of the cupboard an hour ago. The food you eat is broken down and the nutrients processed by your cells to create energy so that they, and you, can do what they need to do.
Fermentation is one way to create energy from food, but for most animals and humans, it's not super efficient and it only happens when oxygen is in short supply. Didn't know your body could go through fermentation? It's why your muscles feel tired and sore after a lot of exercise. Look it up. For yeasts and many bacteria though, it's essential. I've decided to make some bread today and we're going to watch fermentation happen firsthand when I mix a little of this yeast into a bowl of warm water and honey.
Yeasts are living organisms, each made up of a single cell, and they're actually a type of fungus.
Wait, what?
When you bake something like bread, the yeast perform what's called alcoholic fermentation, where the sugar in the dough is converted to alcohol and carbon dioxide gas. This is the process that makes the bread rise, and later what results in the little holes in the bread after baking. In nature, yeast and bacteria can be found in lots of different environments, from the guts of cattle and sheep to the dirt at the bottom of a freshwater stream to the deep ocean and any other environment where the conditions will support microorganisms.
Humans have been taking advantage of this essential natural process for thousands of years, and boy am I glad. Thanks for adventuring indoors with me today. If you decide to try bread baking and observe fermentation firsthand, don't forget to step outside while the bread rises or bakes. Have a great week. Happy naturing.